Hello everyone, the Art-tastic sisters here. In this video, we're gonna show you how to make paper zinnia flowers. So what you'll be needing is 2 purple A4 size papers and some yellow paper. It's just waste paper I've taken here, and a reddish brown maroon paper. You just need a single strip from here, thin strip, not more than that. So first, what you have to do is cut off a square from this A4 size paper. Now you have to do the same with the second paper, except that with the second paper, the size of the petal, as you can see, just goes on decreasing. This is a petal from the first paper, but when compared to this, all these have less size. Now I'm going to take this petal and cut off a little bit from the end to get a hole. I've placed all the petals together like this. Now I'm going to take a small yellow square paper. Now I've taken a strip of the red paper and cut out small such strips on the top. And now I'm going to roll this whole strip. I've rolled it like this, and now I'm going to take a stick and another small strip of red paper, and I'm going to place it like this. And I'm going to take this rolled strip and I'm going to place it like this, and I'm going to stick them all together like this. Now I have rolled it like this, and now you have to take another small square of green paper and fold it like this. And now you have to take the stick and take this set of petals and slowly insert it like this. So this is our flower, and now the sepal we have made using the green paper, we have to insert it like this. Now you have to take a strip of green paper and apply glue all over. And this is our flower. Now when compared to making a rose, this is a little bit harder because you have to add this yellow thing and the red thing and all that, and the petal size you have to decrease it, but it's not that hard. By the way, if you don't know how to make a rose, or you want to make a beautiful vase for your flower, you can check out our video right now. Click here and watch that video on how to make a vase using a plastic bottle and how to make paper roses, both in one video. I hope you like this video and hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share this video, and if you have any suggestions or doubts, drop them in the comment below. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.